In this video, I will show you how to create and verify a Cash App account. So let's jump straight into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is download Cash App on your device. So you can get that free from the Play Store if you're on an Android device, or the iTunes Store if you're using an iPhone. So once you've gone ahead and downloaded it, go ahead and open up the app. And the first thing it's going to ask you to do is enter a phone number or an email address. So you can enter either of these. And once that's done, what's going to happen? It's going to send a confirmation code. So if you've entered your phone number, make sure to check your phone and you will receive a confirmation code, which you'll need to input into the next screen. Of course, if you've entered your email address, make sure you have access to the email. And if you check your email, again, you're going to receive a code to put into the screen. So once that's done, what it's going to ask you to do next is add a bank account using your debit card number. So you would next put your debit card number in and then press next at the bottom. And then what you need to do is go ahead and choose a cash tag. So this is actually a unique name which you can use to get paid, and you can send this to anyone and they can use your cash tag to pay you. Finally, what you're going to want to do is enter your zip or postal code into the next screen and press next to finish the setup process for your Cash App account. So once you've gone ahead and set up your account should now actually be verified automatically. If it's not, then what you'll need to do is contact the Cash App support, which you can do through the app, and they might ask for additional documents. So this can range from things like your national insurance number if you're in the UK to your social security number if you're in the US, and just a few additional verification checks if they need to do that. But 9 times out of 10, once you initially create and verify your account, it should automatically be verified. So that's how to go ahead and create and verify a Cash App account. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.